LEKey is light emitting keys, which is our piano prototype here.
What we decided to do is use a piano and integrate LEDs inside of it.
We want this to be a fun project while helping people to learn how to play piano on a budget.
I think the hardest part mainly will be trying to integrate two different components together, because we kind of have the back end that's handling the MIDI section, and then we also have the physical hardware from the LEDs.
The resting position will be right under there. The plastic is transparent enough that like an LED, a really bright one, can flash through.
We're trying to make sure that the keys can actually be pressed down with the LEDs in it.
These are like alignment pegs, but they kind of, where the LEDs are right now, like kind of gets in the way, so you couldn't really push it down.
Very thankful for MLH pliers. Without
they've come in clutch.
So it's gonna be like a really easy and accessible web app. Our teammate right here, she's doing the illustration that goes into our UI.
Oh shit.
Did you cut a wire? No, cut the plier. How much do we owe MLH for this? Before we got to like the middle of the night, we finalized all of our illustrations.
I started off by prototyping all of the test code to get the lights illuminating in the correct order, being able to control that from the website.
We finished our slide deck as well, and I would say we are ready.
When it comes to a lot of kids, they want to learn it, but in reality, it's harder than they think it is. So with LEKeys, we help train them throughout the process in order to build a strong foundation and not lose hope along the way.
The first thing you're gonna start off with is the C major scale.
My mom would be proud right now.
And this kind of follows a monkey see, kind of monkey do format. So kind of like in education, where you learn first, then you put into practice with some kind of helping hand. And then at the end, it's your chance to show that you've actually fully mastered it and you're a piano god.
Yeah.
Prodigy.